Guys, good morning, because apparently it's morning. I mean, it's afternoon, but it's morning. I've been reading this book. I read it for over an hour. Actually, it was 2 hours. I didn't even realize the time had passed. Didn't mean to leave it on my son. I have to go into the darkness. Darkness. Cold and darkness. It's cold and it's dark. And I'm tired, so I'm going to sleep. And you are recording, so we are. Where you at? Where you at? I tell you in the floor. I tell you in the floor. Is that okay? Can I tell you in the floor? Hey. Oh. Wow. Wow. I realized yesterday's angle of down here was really bad up there, I guess. And I made you yawn, didn't I?